आता पळोवया गोंयांतले हेर कांय खबरो. गोंयांत VM साळगांवकर इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंटरनॅशनल हॉस्पिटॅलिटी एज्युकेशन म्हूण संस्था सुरू जाता. राय मनोरा ही संस्था सुरू जाता. आयर्लंडाच्या डब्लिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी कडेन संस्थेन कबलात केल्या.
We have got all the foreign equipments from Europe and Germany in order to introduce this showmanship program in our institute. Comfortable environment, and we have faculties, qualified faculties, and couple of faculties are coming from Europe. For example, our kitchen faculty is from France, and he used to work with a French famous chef Escoffier. It's already started enrolling. We have near about 20 students have already joined, and more and more enquiries are coming. So what is the date for we start by 21st of July.
म्हापशेच्या लायन्स क्लबाच्या नव्या संचालक मंडळाची हालींच नेमणूक जाली. सुवाळ्याक अन्न आनी वखदां प्रशासनाचो संचालक सलीम वेलजी मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो.
Principle that I perceive or I understand or as I have seen during my last 3 decades is that you do service to assist someone in whatever magnitude, maybe in whatever sector or in whatever ways and means. Fundamentally you are doing it to bring about a change in somebody else's quality of life. And when there is significant change in the quality of life of the person to whom you have targeted to work, that is where the satisfaction arises.
सनातन संस्था आनी हिंदू जनजागृती समिती 12 जुलयाक गुरुपौर्णिमा मनयतली. ते निमतान मडगांव, फोंड्या, पणजे आनी सांखळे खासा कार्यावळी दवरल्यात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट. फिफा वर्ल्ड कपांत बुधवारा फांतोडेर सेमीफायनलींत येजमान ब्राझीलाक जर्मनीच्या खडेगांठ आव्हानाक फुडो करचो पडटलो. दुसरी सेमीफायनल ब्रेस्तारा फांतोडेर अर्जेंटिना आनी नेदरलँडा मजगती जातली. ब्राझील जर्मनी सेमीफायनलीचे सध्या मिनी फायनल कशेंच सगळ्याक वारें जालां. इतल्यान हे खबरांची रांगात सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.